everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Fortiva Credit Card account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Fortiva Credit Card, go open your web browser first. Go to the search box and type in www.myfortiva.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website of Fortiva Credit Card. Now tap on the sign in button at the upper right corner and you'll be taken to the login page of Fortiva. You can change the language by tapping on this button right here at the corner, and you can see that the language is changed from Espanol to English. Now go ahead and enter your username in the first text field that you see, and then move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, then tap on the show button at the right corner beside the password option. If you want the site to remember your username, tap on remember my username box. If not, then make sure to turn this off. And in case you've forgotten your password or your username, tap on forgot password and username right here and follow the instructions to reset to a new password or to retrieve your username. After you're done, tap on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Fortiva Credit Card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.